Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make stickers. So let's get started. Now get a pencil and a sheet of paper and draw whatever you guys like. And I think I'm gonna draw ice cream in a cup. So let's start drawing. And guys, I am very bad at drawing. Comment down below how you're at drawing. And guys, do you like crafting? Cause I love crafting. I just can't do crafting now cause I don't have the supplies, but later I will. So yeah, comment down below if you guys love crafting. So let's do the bottom. Okay. I'm very bad at drawing. Like I love drawing, but I love drawing, but I don't know how. So let's do the splitting. Okay, yeah, it's getting good. So how is it so far? Now let's do the bottom. Okay, the inside. Now let's do some delicious ice creams. I love ice creams. I just can't now. My parents don't let me eat ice cream right now because I have a cold, and yeah, they don't not let me often use. I mean, drink cold drinks. Yeah, so. I like in the past I've eaten a lot of ice cream. Like yeah, I've eaten a lot of ice cream. So it's done. How do you guys like it? And now let's color it, and the video is getting long, so I'll show you after coloring, and I'm going to pause it right now. So see you after. So bye. I'm back, and so is my drawing. How do you guys like it? I know it's bad, but it's the best I can do. So the next step is get a tape and some tape, a scissor, and take some tape. Okay. Mm, let's get all that over with. Okay. We have a new one. Okay. Okay. Let's. Okay. Then get it tape and then pour it over, and make sure there's no splittings like patch. So yeah. Okay. Oh my god, mine's got one, but no biggie, just a little mistake. Okay, now for the second. Okay, after taping, so I'm going to show you like this. Okay, I've taped it. Then go to the other side of your drawing and get double-sided tape, and then get a little too. Okay, get a little too, and then yeah, put it over, and then cut it. Okay. Cut it. Okay, now for the second piece, I'm gonna do slowly. Okay, it's done and beautiful. Okay, I'm done with the double-sided tape. Okay, it's done. Then get your scissors and cut it. Okay, and I'm gonna be right back after cutting. So bye, see you again. I'm back after cutting, and here's the results, and that's mostly it. This is how to make a sticker. Okay, And if you don't understand it, just comment down below and I will make another. And guys, this is part 1. I'm going to make another video of how to make sticker in another way, but in that video we aren't going to use double sided tape, and in this video we used double sided tape. So that video and this video is going to be same but a little different. So let's peel it off. Okay, let's peel it off. It's so hard to get the tape off. Why wouldn't it come off? Okay, this is the most satisfying part. Okay, here, let's peel it. So satisfying, isn't it? Okay, okay, wait a minute. Ah, why did it going off? Oh, why is it going off? Okay, this video is getting off, so we have to hurry. So satisfying. I hope it. Okay, this is it, and I'm going to show you in a paper by putting it. Okay, let's put it. So beautiful, so beautiful. Here's the results, and to make it more better, we're going to name it ice and cream. And guys, my handwriting is also bad. Okay, so to make it more prettier, we'll use a highlighter and put it over it, and I hope my highlighter doesn't get dirty. Okay, okay, and it's the end. How is it? Okay, that was mostly it of our video, and I hope you guys like it. So bye, see you next video. Bye. I hope you guys like it, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.